Hey guys, what's up? It's Candace and welcome back to my channel. So I know it has been a hot minute. It has been about 2.5 weeks since my last upload and I do apologize, but you guys, I have been focusing my energy on my health and just really taking care of myself. My husband and I and my father-in-law, we started the keto diet. So last week was a bit of an adjustment, and then I've been working out for the last 2.5 weeks consistently, like just about every single day, y'all. Last week I lost 5 pounds, so your girl is feeling good, but things are back on track. I'm gonna get back to my regular schedule of uploading 1 to 2 videos a week, and I want to jump into today's video. But before I do that, just want to remind you, thank you all so much for everybody that watched my last video and participated in my giveaway. Congratulations to the 2 winners. Your boxes will be going out tomorrow, if not Thursday. So by the end of the week, your packages will be going out. So be on the lookout for that. I will also send you all a shipping confirmation. So thank you all so much, and I hope you enjoy the goodies. But let's get on to today's video. I am going to be doing the unboxing of my spring 2019 FabFitFun box. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a quarterly seasonal subscription box where you get an array of products. You get some beauty, some health and wellness, lifestyle products, and they are full-size products, and the value is over $200, and the box is $49.99 not a month, but $49.99 each time it ships. So 4 times a year you get a shipment. Or at least it was, because I was just going through my account just to make sure I had all of the information as accurate as possible, and I noticed the last 2 shipments the price went up. So it used to be $49.99, now it is $52.99. So let's see if it's worth that extra money or worth the money at all. Alright guys, so if you want to see what I got in this season's, which is March 2019, the spring FabFitFun box, then all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss a future upload from me. Alright, now that you've done that, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright, so spring FabFitFun box. It's really colorful. I like it. The box is always generally this size, so that is not unusual. Now let me find a pen or something to open this box with. So here, so inside the box, when you first open it, you do get a couple of magazines. The magazine kind of talks about everything that is in the box, and then they always have like a HelloFresh or a Blue Apron or something, some kind of coupon in here. So if you've not tried HelloFresh, here's your opportunity. And then here, oh my god, y'all, I'm knocking all kinds of stuff off my table. So here is the inside of the box. All right, so I'm just gonna go right down the list. Okay, first things first. Now let me see, get all my notes together here so I can tell you how much everything is, etc, etc. Okay, so the first thing we have is by Venus Williams. Apparently she has a brand called 11 by Venus, and this is a jump rope. So if you're wanting to work on your fitness like me, then this will come in handy. This jump rope does retail for $15. And it also says that you can check out FabFitFun.tv for exclusive jump rope workouts with Venus Williams. So if you want to check this out, you can do that. I will be very anxious to try this out. All right, next up, it looks like we have a Sip by Swell, which is an insulated mug to keep your drinks either hot or cold. Here's what this looks like. I got a white one. So this is nice. I don't want to take it off here. Oh. Yeah, so here's what it looks like. Really nice container. It's got the little Sip logo right there, if you can see that. All right, this does retail for $20. So this is really nice. I will definitely put that to use. I go through so many cups. Like I use my Yeti every single day, my Yeti coffee cup and my Yeti water bottle. Absolutely love it. So this is perfect. And the fact that you can do hot and cold in it is even better. All right. Next up is Show Me Your Moo-Moo. So this is a robe. So, whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, this is by Bri. It's a Bri Robe, and it's in the print Garden of Blooms. You all, this Show Me Your Moo-Moo, this freaking robe retails for $84. This is insane. All right, so it is just your, to me, it is like your everyday moo-moo robe, what have you. I cannot for the life of me figure out how this thing is $84. I would never pay $84 for this, but I'll gladly take it. Clearly I paid $52 for it, but I don't know. Okay. I'll definitely use it because I have 2 robes now that I rotate, and you can always incorporate another one. So I do like that. Next up is, oh, I've been needing this. I do have one and it is almost empty, but this is the Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage. This is the best under eye depuffing gel. You all, I'm kid you not, you put a little dab of this on under both of your under eyes, and in like 10-15 minutes, bags, puffs, everything is gone. Let me see how much. This retails for $42. So this right here is enough. This right here paid for the box. Like, I am more than tickled pink about this. Again, this is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Cream or Gel. Love this. If you all, especially you mamas out there that are running ragged and you look like you're running ragged, that is your best friend. I suggest you to get some ASAP. Or as my grand used to say, real fast, quick, and in a hurry. What? All right, next up, we have some leave-in conditioner from M.I.A. And I don't know if y'all are familiar with this brand. I feel like the creator of M.I.A. is somehow, some way related to the Kardashians. I don't know if it was just a friend or a hairstylist for many years, something. I don't know. But I used to always see them promoting this and using it a lot. So I've never used it. Oh God, this is thick, but it's a spray. I will definitely give it a try. And this does retail for $26. Next up, we're just running right through these, y'all. And this is another thing that I absolutely love about FabFitFun. Like, it's up there with BoxyCharm as far as I'm concerned with subscription box, because you get full-size products. You get a lot of products and you get full-size products, and normally they are all quality products. So this thing is huge, you guys. Like, the camera's not doing it justice. Like, this thing is huge. It is 18.34 ounces. This mother is huge. So this is the Champagne Charcoal Scrub by Medicator. I guess that's the brand. It's exfoliant, and it says it detoxifies, exfoliates, and hydrates your skin with this gentle body scrub. You buff away the dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal a balanced and moisturized skin. This is the relaxing scent. So, oh, I don't want to open it. Ugh. Okay, I'm not going to open it because my nails aren't sharp enough to open it. But definitely anxious to try this out. And this retails for $24. So here's what this looks like. It looks really nice, you guys. I mean, this is a huge bottle. Good. All right. Next up, we've got the Libido Inspired by Nature aromatic body lotion in the scent of mandarin and orange and bergamot or bergamot, whatever. So it's obviously a citrus scent. I'm not a huge fan, but I'm sure it's great for somebody. And this retails for $19. All right, I think I may have one more item in here, you guys. Okay, yep, one more item, and I'm not really sure what this is. Oh, we're gonna find out. This is Sunny Life brand. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. There's 2 plastic plates and a set of utensils. This just seems really random. It's the Sunny Life Lovers Picnic Set in Malibu. So it's a picnic set for 2 and it retails for $30. Yeah, here in Kentucky, or at least in my neck of the woods, we don't go on picnics. I don't like to eat outside if I can help it. Yeah, but this is cute. Like, I'll definitely be giving this away to somebody that I know will put it to use. Yeah, this is different. This is definitely different. But anyways, okay, so let's do a little math here really quickly to see, is this box worth it or not? So we got the robe, which was $84, which I told you all, I ain't paying no $84 for no freaking robe. Not doing it. I don't care what label's on it, who made it, what it's made from. Not doing it. Anyways, all right, next item is the picnic set, which I told you I'm not in love with. Then we have the body lotion, which I'm on the fence about. We got the sip, which is $20. And then we got that jump rope. Then we got the leave-in conditioner, the under eye cream, and then the body scrub. So this one retails for $259.99. So let's just go ahead and call it $260. And we paid $52.99 for it. So I'm gonna say it's worth it. This one was worth it to me, even though 3 of the items, or actually really just 2 of the items, I don't think I will use. Like, I don't think I'll use the body scrub or the body lotion, and I definitely will not be using the Picnic for 2 set, but everything else I will use. So I think so far so good. If you all have not tried FabFitFun, really you guys, this is the first box that was somewhat disappointing for me. Like, usually the other boxes I have enjoyed thoroughly. I've used all the products, or I've gifted them to somebody because I really like the products and maybe I already had it and I wanted somebody else to have it. But definitely recommend this subscription service. It's up there with me and BoxyCharm. Y'all know how I love BoxyCharm. I am a ride or die for BoxyCharm. This is a box that you get a little bit of everything in it. You get beauty, you get hair care, you get lifestyle, you get clothes. I mean, you get accessories, you get a little bit of everything. If you are wanting something that's not just beauty focused like the BoxyCharm, which y'all know I love, then the FabFitFun would be an amazing alternative. Again, it is $52.99 a month, and which used to be $49.99 a month, but apparently it's gone up according to my billing statement. So it's $52.99 a month. Well, not necessarily a month, but every time it ships, which it ships 4 times a year. And you are guaranteed over $200 worth of items. This particular one, we got $260 worth of items. So that is 2 thumbs up for sure. I will definitely have a link down in the description box if you are wanting to just learn more about FabFitFun, or if you are ready to hit that subscribe button and sign up for yourself. So I will have a link down in the description box. I may or may not even have a code for you to get some money off, save you some coin. I don't know, I'm just saying. Anyways, I digress, sorry. That is it, you guys. I will be showing you some other goodies that I've received over the last couple of weeks since I've kind of been a little MIA, so stay tuned. We will get back to our regularly scheduled programming, which is me uploading 1 to 2 times a week, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see me once or twice a week, you gotta hit the bell icon so that you're always notified of every upload. Makes sense, right? Okay, anyways. Alright guys, I hope you are having a great week. I know I am over here kicking some butt on my new diet and my new workout routine. Y'all see these guns? What? Yeah. Your girl, you know, I might just take this all the way. I might like enter like a bodybuilding contest. Like Teresa Judice, however you spell your name, pronounce it, I'm coming for you. Watch out. I'm gonna be on like the Real Housewives of New Jersey competing against her. Tamra Barney, Tamra Judge? Yeah, that's her new last name. Yeah, coming for you too, girl. Watch out. Y'all don't want any of this. Alright guys, I'm sorry, I'm done. I had too much, y'all, I'm tired. I'm about to go upstairs, take a shower, and take my butt to bed. Alright guys, don't forget to share this video with all your family, friends, aunties, cousins, sisters, brothers, everybody you know, so everybody can be a part of the Big Blue Debutante family. Okay? It's only right. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Love you so much. Bye.